Hi guys, Anton Bond here with Base Real Estate, and I'm standing in the middle of one of our latest listings, an excellent opportunity for you at 2660 Ross Place in Walnut Creek. Now, this property boasts 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, and it's renovated and upgraded from head to toe, inside and out, with the most best of the best top tier luxury materials that you're gonna soon find out. Now, this property is just a 10-minute drive from the Broadway Plaza. On top of that, within a 1-mile radius, we got hiking trails, we got biking trails and multiple parks, making it a perfect location for you. On top of that, it's sitting on a 1/4-acre lot, guys. Okay, enough of me, now let's take a look around. You've seen this property and you heard all about it. Now it's time for you to schedule your tour today.